Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to create a route in Garmin Connect. Creating a route in Garmin Connect is straightforward and lets you plan your own course to download to your Garmin. Start by opening the Garmin Concept app, tap More at the bottom right, then go to Training and Planning, select Courses, tap Create Course, and choose a course type, then pick a drawing method. You can use the automatic option, which generates a route based on distance and direction using Garmin's trendline. Popularity feature, or create a point-to-point course manually by placing start and next points on the map. Enter your course name, distance, and direction, and adjust settings like pace or speed goals, privacy and course, type. Remember that devices typically read only the first 15 characters of a course name, so vary names if you have multiple courses. Once complete, save your course and it will be ready to sync to your compatible Garmin device for navigation. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.